Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tiny Tots with Miss Anam, and we are going to learn about shapes today.
I am sharing a few things with you which are square in shape, and some of them are a Rubik's Cube. Who likes Rubik's Cubes? Have you ever solved a Rubik's Cube? If you have, what's the trick? Please comment in the comment section and share with me about the Rubik's Cube. See, it's square. It's square. When you see it from the front side, it's square. All the sides are equal. See, all the sides are equal. And this is why it's called a square. The other example I'm going to show you is the box in which the Rubik's Cube came. This box is also square in shape. If you see from the front side, it's square. It's square. All sides are equal. Let's move to another example that I have Legos. See, if you see from here, it's square. Square. The sides are equal. Okay, so let's move to the next example, and that's a cheese slice. You make burgers or sandwiches and you have this cheese slice in them which you use in your daily life, you see in your daily life, and this is also square. All sides are equal. Let's move to one more example, and that is a napkin. If I unfold this napkin, this is square. All sides are equal. So this napkin is also square. Square. Okay? So these were some examples that were square. All sides are equal. A Rubik's Cube, a napkin, a box, and some Legos, and a cheese slice. You can even find some more examples around you, like a cushion, maybe that's square as well. And yes, I have a stencil too. This is also square. Can you see? All sides are equal. So let's move to today's activity. What we are going to do, we are going to make monsters. I have a cutout of square over here. I have some white circles for the eyes. I have 3 of them. I have a black cutout for the mouth. I have some colored cutouts for its hair to decorate it a bit, to make it a bit funny. Okay, and I have 2 small squares for the teeth. I want to make it a bit funny, and I have some cutouts of the straws to make the legs and the hands. I have some black cutouts as well to make the eyes a bit realistic, and this is how it's going to look when we are going to combine and paste everything on it. So let's begin. One by one we are going to put some glue on it and paste it. I am using a glue, and I'm just going to put some on it. And the very first thing I'm going to do is make the hair. Can you see? Okay, so glue, 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 paste, 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 glue, 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 paste, paste, paste. Moving forward, completing the monster. Is this looking lovely? I think this might look like a funky little monster. Okay, so here you go. I have put some hair on top of the monster, and now let's put some glue and paste the eyes. One eye, let's count all together. Two eyes and three eyes. Okay, now I'm going to put some glue and paste the black spots. It's going to make it a bit realistic kind of a monster. Okay, so this is how it's looking up till now. Now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to paste the mouth. A monster has a mouth too. You can make your own colorful and imaginative monsters as you like. The more creative you are, the more lovely creatures you can design. I'm putting two teeth inside its mouth. And see how cute it's looking, and it's looking so funky. Okay, so I am done with the square. I am done with everything that has to be pasted inside the monster, and I can give you a look. Wow, it's looking so cute. Will you try this at home? Please try it and share with me how your activity went. Comment in the comment section how did you like my monster, and create some more monsters which has a square shape, and you can even make some more shapes like triangle monster, a rectangle monster, a circle monster, and even an oval monster. Okay, so we have to paste these as well, but the glue stick is not going to work on it, right? So I am going to use a glue gun, and the little kids can't use it because it's very dangerous. It's really very hard, so you can take help from an elder. Okay, so I'm putting up some glue over here and to make the hands. Here you go. Hello everybody, I am a square monster. How am I looking? Please comment it in the comment section. Let's move to our second shape, that is oval. So for oval, I'm going to give you some examples first. And in your daily life, you can find examples of oval like an egg. This is oval. And I have a tomato that's oval. Can you see its shape? It's also a kind of oval, just like an egg. Okay, and I have a paperweight. It is also oval in shape. I found three things that has a shape of an oval. You can find more things, and you can comment in the comment section what things did you find that had the shape of an oval. Okay, so after having the examples of oval in our daily life, let's create a oval monster. For that, we are going to use colored paper. I have a colored paper and I have cut it in the shape of an oval, and I have a lot of cutouts for it over here. Okay. 2 circles for the eyes, white circles, 2 black circles to make it a bit realistic, the inner side of the eyes, and I have 2 rectangles over here. I will tell you what are for. I have a tongue. It's half of the oval, okay? And I have 2 feet. I have 2 cutouts of the shape of the feet. Okay, so let us combine all this and create a lovely monster. What I'm going to do over here, I am going to paste these two rectangles, one a bit longer and one a bit shorter. I want my monster to look a bit funky and goofy, so I am pasting it like so. Can you see it? A bit longer, and the other one I'm going to paste a bit shorter. Okay, so it would be like so, a little bit short. Okay, so this is the back side of our monster. I'm going to paste the feet as well. Let's put some glue on only the top side of the foot, and I'm going to paste from the back side. Okay, and I'm going to put some glue over here, and I have to paste it at the opposite side. Okay, like so. This is how we are going to paste it. From the back side, it's going to look like this, and when I'm going to turn it around, it's going to be like this, neat and clean. Okay, so let's continue. What I'm going to do is, from the front side, I am going to paste the eyes. So this was all about this monster. It's a bit different from the first one. So I'm going to put some glue on this side of the circle and paste, and glue from this side of the circle and paste. Let me paste the circles, the black circles from inside, and like this and like this. I'm going to paste it from here. One more thing, just one more thing which I'm going to do is paste the tongue. I am going to paste the tongue over here, and this is how my monster looks like. See, isn't this a cute monster? Roar, roar, we are friends, we are friends. I am an oval and I am a square. If you like us, please subscribe to our channel. Bye everyone.